The Lumberjack BS305 12-inch floor-standing professional bandsaw has a quite and powerful 750-watt induction motor, with a throat depth of 12 inches, and large cast-iron table that can handle large work pieces. It can also tilt from 0 to 45 degrees, and comes with a quick clamp grip fence. A blade length of 88 inch and can take blade widths of 6 to 20 mm. Roller bearings to help with blade stability. Quick release lever to allow easy blade replacement. The doors are fitted with a cut-off switch so it will not turn on while doors are open. Is fitted with a flexible LED work light to help with your work. A handy circle cutting attachment. Comes with a dust and chip collection drawer to help with clean out. A 50, 70 and 100 mm dust collection outlet. In the box you will find floor stand, grip fence, mitre fence, LED work light, a 13 mm 4 TPI blade.